Larry Hoskin's career is a testament to the power of giving back. After playing in the Cape Cod League and the Chicago Cubs organization, Larry dedicated over 40 years to the baseball industry. As vice president and general manager of the Bucky Dent Baseball School, he turned the facility into a global hub, attracting up to 3,000 students annually, including future Yankees general manager Brian Cashman. Larry was instrumental in advising young athletes and their parents on their future paths. His community impact is staggering. Larry chaired the Bucky Dent Invitational for 32 years, raising over $200,000 for the Delray American Little League and $25,000 for the Miracle League of Palm Beach County. He personally awarded $61,000 scholarships to local seniors and provided grants for underprivileged families to attend his camps for free. Through hundreds of coaches' clinics, Larry shared his deep knowledge to improve youth sports across the county. His teaching gave thousands of youngsters the confidence to be successful in any field they choose. And now, he is Palm Beach County Sports Hall of Famer, Larry Hoskin.
It's very, very special. One of the bigger nights of my career. It's quite an honor. I feel very, very blessed. You spent 40 some years in the business, in the baseball business, teaching youth baseball, and somehow somebody recognized me, and it's a great thrill for me and my family.